am here today to share some wisdom with you. I am here making a tea for one of my friends. They're kind of in a hangover right now, and even though, people like to drink and it's socially fun, alcohol is poison to the body. So you want to be careful with that. Excuse me, I don't want to speak over this. Yeah. So, I'm making a tea for this friend of mine. And in it, I have spring water, elderberry, manuka honey, a little bit of turmeric, blue agave, and dandelion root tea. Okay, so dandelion root tea is for the gut, the digestive system, for your stomach. It usually helps with stomach aches. Dandelion tea also helps, at least from my experience, with headaches. The blue agave syrup is there for taste as well. Blue agave does have its natural healing properties as well. Manuka honey is wonderful. It's wonderful. And then there is elderberry immune system syrup. It's a native plant to America. I live in America, so hey, what's up? My ancestors are from this land, and I instinctively just gravitate to certain herbs and that I feel called to use. But something I also want to share is that water is an element that holds memory. So use that to your advantage. While I'm making this, I have the intention of helping them feel better, or have the intention of healing their body. And most importantly, you want to speak love over the tea, over what you're making. And I speak, I love you. I love you. I pray for your healing. I hope you feel better. I hope you get better. I know you will get better. I pray you will get better. I love you. I love your body. I love your well-being. And you just feel that. And like even now, like I feel good speaking this life into this tea, and I know it's going to help them. So if you have anybody that likes to drink, or if you just want to have some good tea around, to help the body, here it is. Leave a comment below. I am not a licensed doctor, but I know I've lived many lives, and paper is just paper, but intention and love is everything. So feel free to leave a thumbs up. All right, thank you.